how to download Cash app or how to download and install Cash app on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Bisnet, and today I'll guide you and explain you on how you can download and install Cash app on iPhone. Well, Cash app is easily available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play. So in order to download it and install it on your iPhone, you can simply head over to your App Store and then you can search in for Cash app. Once you search in for Cash app, you can go ahead and download it and installation will be there. Now, however, if you are having some issues installing it or finding the application on your App Store, you can head over to your browser and there on your Safari you can search in Cash app. So you'll get the official website for Cash app. There you can tap on it and there you'll get the link for the download of Cash app. So this is how you can download and install Cash app on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.